Hello. Here I am back with this painting, and I started this with the fan brush. So I'm at this point where I need to decide what to do next. Um, I noticed that this looked like it was bent in some petals. So just to show how I would sort of emphasize that, um, I'm making a little orange, some dull orange, and just going a little darker in here and a little darker in here. To make it look like that part's folded over. Now, normally you would see the evidence of petals here, so I'm going to try to do something where you see a separation form. So I'm going to leave this alone for right now. It's kind of working, but I have to get a feel for it. So at this point, everything here is kind of light, and I want to start developing this background. And I want to do it, I've started it back in here and sort of break up this space around it by a suggestion of leaves. So to get some of that in darker, and so I'm going to be working with negative space. This is a demonstration of how to work with negative space. So right here I have a leaf. And I could see I could get a negative space leaf if I suggest the outline, the space behind the leaf right there. So that would be a lighter colored leaf. And the space behind it, I will make a darker green. So now you see I have another leaf right in there, which fills in the background. Now to make this look more like a leaf, I'm going to suggest just a suggestion of a vein right there. Once again, I'm going to go in a little darker on this side, and to bring out this leaf that I had painted before. And I see that's another leaf there, so I'm going to go in and define that shape by what value and color you have next to it. So now all of a sudden I'll get another leaf just by making this brush stroke. So here's another leaf here. So that's a way to make your backgrounds more interesting, and you can gradually develop your background space into different shapes and forms and shades of green. Because we are dealing with foliage, that's one way to do it. Now I want something darker next to this light area, so I am going to do that and see what that does. That value and color next to that light flower makes it pop. It's just a way to work with negative space. And that might be something you want to try. It's kind of fun once you do it. It's hard to explain it until you actually do it, and then you can see, all of a sudden, you'll see how it's done. You get a feel for it.